After uploading your CSV file with your addresses and adding a document to your mailing, it's time to continue to the recipient review. But what happens when you get here and you find that you have a questionable recipient? I'm going to show you how to fix that. As you can see in your addresses, an active recipient will look like this, grayed out and ready to go. But this one, our questionable one, is in pink. How you will fix it is first you will go to View to see your proof. As you can see, the address is not correct. It's not on the correct line and we're missing the city and state. So how do we fix it? Click here on Edit, and you can easily fix or fill in any addresses that you need to. So we're just going to take this, add it on this line, type in the city, add the state, hit Save Changes, and it will say that your recipient address updated successfully. Now you can see that it is in active recipients. From here, you can click Continue and finish your job.